Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device supports the app library and backing up your home screen layout so you can restore if needed. Once done, identify which apps you want removed from site versus deleted entirely. Make sure to sign into your Apple ID and have settings accessible. Tap and hold an app on the home screen to begin. The first actionable step is to enter jiggle mode so you can move or delete apps quickly and precisely. Now you continue by removing apps from the home screen while controlling the app library. Once in jiggle mode, drag apps into folders or the dock to consolidate. If you want an app gone entirely, tap the minus icon and choose Delete App to remove it from device and library. Make sure to also use Edit Pages to hide entire home screen pages, which prevents apps from appearing. This step organizes visibility without affecting iCloud sync data unless you delete. Finish by verifying the app library no longer shows unwanted apps and adjusting settings. App Store to offload unused apps if needed. Once done, restart your device to make sure layout changes persist and icons do not reappear. If an app still shows up, sign out and back into your Apple ID, or reinstall the app, then delete it properly to clear caches and sync. A key troubleshooting tip: always restore from your backup only if you need the prior layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.